We specialize in central HVAC units, which is a heating, and it can be gas or electric. We're very knowledgeable and have more than 15 years of experience with central heating systems. Our team has over 15 years of experience in the HVAC industry. We're very reliable. We communicate with you from start to finish of your project. When it comes to your heater, we make sure that we give you the best option for your home, what is convenient for you, and how you're going to be the most comfortable during the winter season.